Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to do a horseback riding tour just outside of Manuel Antonio. Our horses are ready, so let's go. This horseback riding tour began in Londres, a small town about 40 minutes outside of Manuel Antonio. The 2.5-hour horseback riding tour took us through beautiful rainforest on a picturesque trail passing by rivers and waterfalls. Along the way, we heard a lot of birds like toucans and even saw a couple of squirrel monkeys in the trees next to us. At the end of the trail, we got off to rest a little bit and walked down to a small but charming waterfall. On a calm day, you can swim in the calm pools or just rest in the grass. After about a 30-minute break, we got back on our horses to ride the same trail back to the starting point of the tour to have lunch. We're here at Rancho Los Toucanes. This is their local farm in the area. We're going to take a Costa Rican cooking class, so we're going to learn how to make some of the traditional dishes here. We're actually going to eat it for lunch, so let's go and get cooking. First, we went to pick our ingredients from the Rancho Toucanes organic farm. Next, we headed to the kitchen where Mariana, the chef, taught us how to prepare our lunch of ceviche with plantain, salad, and chicken. She also taught us how to make tortillas, a Costa Rican staple. After it was all done, we got to eat our delicious traditional Costa Rican homemade lunch. We just finished our delicious lunch that we actually just made. We had chicken, a platano, like a plantain ceviche, salad, and rice. We had a great time learning about the farm and a little bit about Costa Rican dishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to learn more about this local flavor experience, just click up on links below, and thanks for watching.